everyone, so today me and Joe are doing the chicken nugget challenge. It's normally 120, but as there's always people a lot older than us doing it, and they eat more than like they don't even complete it. So today we're doing the 60 chicken nugget challenge, and so yeah, we're going to do that today. Hi, can we have 3 boxes of 20 chicken nuggets, please?
3 boxes?
Yeah.
Yep.
And 2 medium Cokes, please.
2 medium Coke?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, anything else?
No thanks.
Want to drive around them, please?
Okay, bye.
Just food, mate. Right. Just waiting your drink to do your nuggets will be about 10 minutes, like 5 minutes.
Alright. Should we go right over there, yeah?
Yeah, it's Park Bay 1 Route Road. Alright. Cheers, mate.
So I've got a parking bay one now, as we've ordered so many nuggets. Right, so we have our nuggets.
Oh my god, this is massive. Right, 20 for me. 20 for you. And then 10 each. I bet different sauce. Gonna eat rare nuggets.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Done it. Alright, so I've got my 30. Oh,
Right.
it's like bigger than my head.
Oh my god, there's a lot of nuggets.
Alright, set my eyes on. Right,
Sorry if we explode.
start. Alright, 20 minutes.
$19 minutes to go. Right. That looks even worse. I've got a crumb in my eye. Oh. 10.
15 minutes, 30 seconds to go.
I'm actually doing so well. I'm on my 10th nugget.
Your opinion? Need chokes on a bit of chicken.
10 down, 20 to go.
15 minutes and like 9 seconds.
If I complete this, I'm gonna feel like a pig.
Look out.
Done 16, I'm more than halfway.
Do 10 minutes down.
Oh my god, I so want to beat you. Imagine being crowned king of the nugget. Sensational.
Next year I beg you.
I said we're doing it next year.
No.
Nom, nom, nom. 17.
I've got 17.
There you go.
Look, count the box.
I can't count. Come on, you can give up.
No, you can give up.
I can't.
Alright.
Oh my god, stop coughing!
Big fat dinosaur. Look over there. The dinosaur. No, no.
Oh god, I got trampolining tomorrow. I'm going to be the fattest kid with shorts on. Oh no, my legs won't get fat. Be like my face, and they'll be like, they'd be like, go swimming, I'll be like, I can't do this. Please stop eating. I think it's bad for your health.
I'm to be.
Something funny. Venmo. Venmo.
Really?
I'm the Nugget King. Oh.
Time's up. Right.
Well, that like nice wallet.
So these two both count.
Marcus did that. He beat me by 2. So unfair.
Wow!
First the worst, second the best. 24 nuggets out of 30. Thumbs up if you think I did well, because I think I'm going to explode in a minute. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, favourite, comment and share. And all links will be in the description box below. And I was about to say see you in our next video. I'll see you in my next video. But leave video suggestions in the comments of any other videos you want me and Joe to do together.